Morning, my name is Jeremy from Quantum Automotive Detailing. Today we are the official starting grid sponsor of the 5th annual ERN Rally. Today we wish we could come along with you guys for the ride, but instead we got you guys little gifts to keep your rides clean and shiny along the way.
We go back, this is a moment, tonight is a night. We fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Here we go back, this is a moment, tonight is a night. We fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Alright, so current situation right now is we're heading north on this road, but there's traffic, and a couple of the guys needed 94. The last pump that we were at only had up to 91. So they had to go up ahead so they could get the 94. And now we're just trying to catch up to them.
Bunch of traffic. Oh, this is a Honda Civic. Be slow. Very slow.
It's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Food. Oh, food's great, man.
Great.
Crispy fries, crispy chicken. Burger's good. Fries are good.
All right, that's what we like to hear.
Come check out Algonquin Lunch Bar. Cinnamon roll.
The rolls of cinnamon.
One of the best cinnamon rolls I've ever had in my life.
Wow.
Algonquin lunch and dinner.
Algonquin is something. Herbal.
It's an orange pico.
It's the orange pico.
I don't know
Red
what she put
rose.
I don't know what she put in it.
Tetley.
I believe it's Tetley.
Damn.
Yeah.
Best you had
That's all I had.
in your life.
That's all I.
I'm sorry you
that's all
have to
I-
live like this.
That's all I need. One of the best cinnamon rolls.
Wow.
5 out of 5.
5 out of 5.
Yo, I'm a motherfucking monster.
Alright guys, we had a phenomenal day one on the ERN Rally 5. It was a blast. We had some dinner, we got together afterwards, different people did different things, and the beauty of it is it doesn't matter what people do. As long as we reconnect and get the good stuff in, and then we head on to the next. So today is day 2. It's gonna be another phenomenal day. We have a great adventure lined up, beautiful weather. Today we're gonna be heading over to Montreal. Like I said, day 2, we have a beautiful facility that we're gonna be staying at, a beautiful hotel. We're gonna be doing a great excursion. Today is jet boating. It's gonna be a nice, wet and wild, fun time taking it from the dry pavement to the water. And then we have a nice private dinner lined up for the team. And then whatever happens that night, happens. Let's go talk to these guys. So the beauty of it is on social media, you get to connect to a lot of people, and it doesn't matter where they are in the world, but you meet phenomenal people. And these guys were cool enough to reach out and say, hey, we saw you guys will be in town and we want to connect with you. So they're actually from Montreal. They decided to drive or ride all the way to Ottawa just so they can meet up with us and head back. So let's go meet these guys. It'll be awesome to get them on camera and show some love as well. Hey guys, what's going on, man? So we got you on camera right now. I told them a little bit about who you guys are and where you came from. I know it's a little impromptu, but natural is the best way. It would be awesome if you guys want to say a little bit about you, your group, what inspired you to come out here today and come meet us. So
yeah, basically, yeah, like, you know, I knew you through Chris, and like I kept following the page after, you know, like you guys were into the things that we like. You know, you started off as a bike crew initially, so I was like, oh shit, you know, I knew this backstory about it, and cars. You know, ever since then we've been following you guys, and you know, we tag you guys and repost, always showing love to us. And I'm like, I've been wanting to come to Toronto to ride with you guys, but you know, bike ride to Toronto, it's not the easiest thing. So I was like, when he said you're coming rally to Montreal, I'm like, you know what, I gotta meet these guys. I had to come ride with these guys. That's why when he told me there's gonna be a lot of cars and not a lot of bike, I'm like, it doesn't matter, just want to come and show, like, you know, just show up and ride with you guys.
Yeah,
you know?
that's proper, man. Thank you so much, man. And that's what it's about. That's what it's about.
I'm enjoying myself, man. I love it. I love it.